Hello kids, I hope you are fit and fine. Today we will learn the words with CH and TH sounds. Read aloud. Chair, CHAIR, chair. LUNCH, lunch. STRETCH, stretch. CHEESE, cheese. WATCH, watch. CHASE, chase. Catch, chickens, such, batch, bunch, match, chocolate, children. So there are more words to say. Rich, ditch, hitch, bitch. Chain, child, cheek, check. Cherry, chest, bench, chap. Chant, change, chance, chef. Peach, beach, reach and teach. TH, th. Read aloud. BATH, bath. EARTH, earth. FEATHER, feather. THREE, three. THUMB, thumb. TEETH, teeth. Thin, that, thick. Father, mother, brother, Thursday, with, breath. More words. The, this, thus, throw. Thread, thorn, thirst, thief. Third, thrill, throat, bath. Path, cloth, fourth, north. It's time to do the exercise. Match the followings. Let's do it. Chocolate. Match it with the chocolate. Feather. Match it with the feather. Thumb. Match it with the thumb. Watch. Match it with the watch. Chair. Match it with the chair. Teeth. Match it with the teeth. Fill in the blanks with TH or CH. Let's do it. BATH, bath. THRE, three. TEETH, teeth. CHEEK, cheek. PEACH, peach. CHICKEN, chicken. So kids, I hope that you have learned and understood what we have done in the class today, and you will practice it more and more to become perfect in this.